Miro Business Automation Tool Review Usage Experience. Links to Miro are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Miro, a powerful visual collaboration and automation tool designed for teams looking to streamline workflows, enhance project management, and improve remote collaboration. Miro is ideal for product managers, designers, developers, and businesses that rely on brainstorming, agile workflows, and automation to increase efficiency. One of Miro's standout features is its visual workflow automation. The platform offers an interactive whiteboard where teams can design workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and track progress in real time. Miro's pre-built templates help teams quickly set up Kanban boards, mind maps, and flowcharts to automate business processes without needing complex configurations. The ability to connect sticky notes, diagrams, and project elements with automation rules makes it a flexible tool for workflow optimization. Another key strength is integration with major business tools. Miro connects seamlessly with platforms like Jira, Asana, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Notion, ensuring that workflow automation extends beyond Miro's ecosystem. These integrations eliminate the need for manual updates, reducing human error and keeping teams aligned in one centralized workspace. Miro's real-time collaboration features set it apart from traditional automation tools. Teams can work simultaneously on boards, leave comments, tag teammates, and use video conferencing directly within the platform. This makes Miro an excellent choice for remote teams and distributed workforces that need smooth, synchronized collaboration. For businesses looking to scale, Miro's enterprise-grade security and access controls ensure that sensitive data is protected while allowing for role-based access to different parts of a project. Customizable workflows, automated notifications, and smart connectors further enhance efficiency, making it a robust tool for both small teams and large organizations. In conclusion, Miro is more than just a digital whiteboard. It's a full-fledged business automation and collaboration tool that helps teams visually map out processes, automate tasks, and work more efficiently. Whether you're managing agile projects, brainstorming, or improving operational workflows, Miro's automation capabilities provide a significant productivity boost. Check out the links in the description to explore Miro for your team.